Hello, my name is Ajit, and in this video I will demonstrate how to backup your Synology data to AWS S3 bucket. Let's start with the configuration. So before creating a backup policy on Synology DSM, we need to create a bucket under AWS account and create a new user for the backup. So once you log into your AWS account, click on services. Under the services you can click on S3. So once you click on S3, you need to create a bucket. Let's click on create bucket. So I'm just giving the bucket name Synology test. As you know, it should be a unique name. So the location, you can select anything. I'm just choosing the nearest location. Next. So bucket name is already exist. Let's give think IT test. Next. So you want to keep all versions of object in the same bucket. You can check this option. If you want to check the logs option, you can check it here. Otherwise you can click next. So block all public access. Yes, I don't want to users to access this bucket from outside. So next. So these are the permission you want to set here. You can set it here. So otherwise I'm leaving it default. Create bucket. So once the bucket is created, so you need to create a user who will handle the backups. Let's click on services, IAM. Under IAM, I'll create a user, add user. The username should be backup. So what type of access you want to give? You want to give a programmatic access or AWS management console access? I just want a programmatic access for the backup. So that means the user can only access via access key ID or secret key ID from AWS API, control panel or SDK development tools. Click next on permission. So I want to copy existing permission. You want to attach a new permission. Let's attach the existing policy directly. Click on that. So I'm giving a backup S3 full administration task, full access. Next tag, if you want to assign any tags, you can assign it. I'm leaving default one. Review, create a user. So once you create a user, you need a access key ID and secret key access ID for mapping or creating a group policy or backup policy on remote backup server. Let's go to the Synology DSM, log in with the administrator account. So once you log into your Synology DSM, we'll go to the main menu. So under main menu, we'll use an application called Hyper Backup. So now under Hyper Backup, under the categories, we need to go under Cloud Services, S3 Storage, next. So we need to create a backup task. So for that, we require an access key. Let's go to the IAM Management Console. We'll copy the access key. And we need a secret key. So it should be hidden under the user information. We click on show and we'll copy this secret key to the backup policy. So once we do it, it will start searching for the bucket name. it will start authorization or authentication with the AWS account. Once it's authenticate, you will get the directory or bucket name which you have created in the AWS S3 console. We click on Thick IT test. Under Thick IT, it will create a directory name. It's a remote backup, or we can give a name called Synology backup. Next. Now we need to select which folder we need to backup to our AWS S3 bucket. I'll click a backup folder. Click next. If you want to backup any application, you can select it. Right now we are not selecting any application. Click next. So here under the backup settings, you need to configure how you want to schedule your backup. You schedule for the daily basis, weekly basis, or you need to run the backup manually. It's just up to you. So choose the default options, or you can edit your options. Click next. So if you want to enable a backup rotation, you can click it here, check the box, and you can enable the backup rotation policy. Right now I'm disabling this option. Apply. Once you apply, you want to backup now, click on yes. So your Amazon S3 bucket policy is configured, and it will start sync with your S3 account. So it will take some time. It will process the data. You can see data of share folders backing up to the S3 bucket. So your backup is successfully done. Let's go to the AWS console. You'll go to under services, S3. Under the S3, we'll go to the bucket called Think IT test. Click on that. Double click on that. You can say the Synology backup.hpk file is uploaded on the S3 bucket. So this is the way you can backup your data to S3 bucket by using a hyper backup application on Synology DSM. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.